These were perfect gifts. The scent is excellent, not too strong but not too weak. Bought these for my girlfriend's gifts. She loves them and tells all her friends they need to purchase some. I will buy again. Awesome, GF loved the scents and how soft her skin was after bath time. Great product, smells great. Hi everyone, this is Dr. Pena and welcome back to my channel. One of the good things that I learned during this COVID-19 pandemic while on quarantine and lockdown is mastering the art of making Fizzy Bath Bombs. And we are so lucky because we are now selling our products on Amazon. And just after 1 month of selling our products, we are getting nice and good reviews from our happy and contented customers. That's why I decided to make this video to share to you the secrets of making Fizzy Bath Bombs. But before that, I would like to thank my 94 subscribers, and if you're not one of them, I would like to invite you to click subscribe before you continue watching this video, and I'll see you again in 30 seconds. Today, there are thousands of bath bomb makers all around the world, especially in the United States and Europe. Some of them are selling their bath bombs on online shops, and some of them are just making bath bombs for personal use. And a lot of them are having problems with making bath bombs because one of the problems is humidity. Because humidity causes the bath bomb to crack, or sometimes it's powdery or it's hard to bind, especially when you are not following the exact measurement or the exact recipe. But sometimes it depends on the location where you are making your bath bombs, and a lot of people are so frustrated with making bath bombs. But I discovered this simple basic recipe that I'm going to share to you in this video, and I assure you that if you're going to follow this recipe that I'm having, you will be happy with the results of your bath bombs. So I would like you to continue watching this video, and now we're going to start making our bath bombs. These are the ingredients that we're going to use. We have the dry ingredients. This is 4 cups baking soda. This is 2 cups citric acid. This is 1/2 cup of cornstarch. We have 1/2 cup of Epsom salt, and we have the coloring. And for our wet ingredients, we have almond oil. You can use any other kind of oil like coconut oil, or you can also use shea butter or other kinds of oil that you want. And we also have the essential oil or the fragrance oil. And for our binder, I'm not using alcohol, I'm just using water. So I use this spray. This is not a cleaner. This is water. This is pure water here. Okay, so to start with, we are going to mix all our dry ingredients on this bowl. This is a baking soda. We have the citric acid. Again, this is 2 cups citric acid. We have the cornstarch. It's 1/2 cup cornstarch, and this is Epsom salt. This Epsom salt. Then we mix them together. Then we add the coloring. So for this kind of bath bomb, this is called Dream Angel, and I'm going to use blue for this. And I'm just going to use 1/2 cup. This is 1/2 tablespoon. No, this is 1/2 teaspoon. Okay, so I'm going to use 1/2 teaspoon of coloring for this kind of bath bomb that I'm making, what I call Dream Angel. Then we mix the coloring with our dry ingredients. So after mixing all our dry ingredients, we are now ready to add our wet ingredients. So I'm going to add first our essential oil or the fragrance oil. So depending on the fragrance or how strong the fragrance that you want, you can add as much fragrance or essential oil as you want. So this is Dream Angel. I label the label from this. This is Dream Angel. So I usually use like this one. This is 20. So this is the fragrance oil or the essential oil. And then we add our oil. This is almond oil. Again, you can use any kind of oil like coconut oil, apricot, or you can also use shea butter. So we add 2 tablespoons of almond oil. And again, we mix our ingredients. Now we spray water. I usually use 15 sprays of this water. It depends on the weather. When it's warm, I usually use 20 sprays, 18 to 20 sprays, but when the weather is cold, I use these 15 sprays. You can just feel it, like if it's ready, then you can start. Because if I noticed that if I use less than 15 sprays of this water, the bath bomb cracks or they don't bind well. But also when I use like more than 20 sprays of water, it's too wet, the ingredients too wet, and they crack. Okay, so we start spraying. So while spraying the water, we are mixing our ingredients. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And sometimes you stop spraying so you can use both your hands to mix the ingredients. You can also use equipment like this. Because I was having sprays already. We have more 8, 9, 15. So this is what I'm saying. You can feel it if it's ready to mold. Like, this is fine. This is okay. But I want to make it sure. So that's 18. So again, you can use 15 to 20 sprays of water. See? And we are now ready to mold our bath bomb. Okay, so this time we are now ready to mold our bath bomb. This is our mix, and I'm using this molder that we bought from Amazon. Okay, so what I do to make sure that our bath bomb is hard as rock and it doesn't break or it doesn't crack, I'm using this spoon. I press it, but the last one, make sure not to press it so hard. Okay, that is half mold, and then get the other half, press it at the center. It's like this, but don't press it hard on the sides, just at the center, because you already have this one. And then press them together as hard as you can, like this. And then use our pair of scissors to cut them together like this. And I can assure you that our bath bomb is harder than the struggles or the hardships that you've been through all your life. And this is stronger than your relationship with your ex-boyfriend. And then you remove it. Yes, the first half, and then we remove the other half. Okay, and this is now our bath bomb. And you want to remove the ring. Well, it doesn't really matter. But sometimes when I'm rubbing out my bath bombs, it's a little bit dusty because when the cream dries. So this is our first bath bomb. This Stream Angel. And then I'll just put this here. I'll show you one of the reasons why some of the bath bombs crack. Okay, so because some people do it like this. So you don't want to do this. You don't want to press this hard and then do it on the other. Okay, so if you do this, it's fine, but sometimes it cracks, breaks in the center, so you don't want to do that. I'm going to show you another reason why bath bombs crack or break, or they don't bind together. Because sometimes if you don't put the right amount here at the center, it's so soft here. Although both of these parts are hard, but if the center is very soft, it will crack. It will break. No. These are now our finished products, and I'm just going to leave them here, and I'll be ready to wrap them tomorrow like this. Okay, so see, these are hot. So that is my secret to making Fizzy Bath Bombs, and just as I'm recording this video, we are now number 15 on the bestsellers in handmade bath bombs on Amazon. So if you want to buy our products, you can just type in the Bath Bomb Artisans or handmade bath bombs on Amazon, and you will see our product, the Bath Bomb Artisans. And also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, the Bath Bomb Artisans, and Instagram, the Bath Bomb Artisans. So whether you're going to make bath bombs for personal use or for business, if you follow the simple recipe, the basic recipe that is shared to you, you will be happy with the result of your bath bombs. So gather your ingredients and start making your own bath bombs. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again on my next videos. Bye bye!